morning, friends. This is a book called Baby Bird's First Nest, and it's written by Frank Ash. Ooh, wonder what it could be about. Why is there a frog in a bird nest? Do frogs live in bird nests? No. Let's see. One night, Baby Bird rolled over in her sleep and she tumbled out of her nest and woke up with a thump. Uh-oh. She has fallen out of her nest. Baby Bird wasn't hurt, but she was very scared. Darkness loomed all around her. Even the moon looked cold and scary. "Mama, help me," she cried. But Mama Bird was sound asleep. Beneath Baby Bird's tree lived Little Frog. "What are you croaking about?" he asked. "I fell out of my nest," Baby Bird said, flapping her wings. "I can't get back up there." Oh, what's the frog gonna do, reckon? We'll see. Little Frog climbed out of the pond. "I was gonna go for a swim. Do you want to come with me?" "I just want to go back to my mama and my nest," sniffled Baby Bird. "Don't worry about your mama. Mama will come find you in the morning," said Little Frog. "The morning's a long, long time," replied Baby Bird. "What should I do until then?" "Why not build your own nest?" said Little Frog. "I've never built a nest before," sighed Baby Bird. "Well, neither have I," said Little Frog, "but I would help you." Oh, Frog is going to be super sweet and help her build a nest. So Baby Bird and Little Frog went to work building a nest. They gathered twigs, pine needles to make the outside. And then they lined the inside with birch bark, which is a tree bark, and deer grass. I think that's just a kind of grass. Look, they're putting it all together to make a nest. And when they were finished, Baby Bird hopped inside and chirped, "Oh, it's beautiful, and it's so cozy, too." With a skip and a jump, Little Frog flipped himself into the nest. "Kinda scratchy for my taste," he croaked. "Of course you'll think that. You're a frog," said Baby Bird. "But it's perfect for me." And then she sighed with relief. "My very, very first nest." Oh, she is so proud of herself. Look, and then there they are sitting together in the nest. That's a pretty funny nest. Look at the frog. The frog's like, "This is not comfortable." Baby Bird snuggled down and started to fall asleep. But Frog sat up straight. "I hear paws," he croaked. "Quick, follow me." Little Frog jumped out of the nest and went into the pond. Ker-plunk. Uh-oh. Can birds go in the water? Let's see what happens. Oh, no. Baby Bird looked up and saw a very hungry raccoon. "If I jump into the pond, I'm going to drown," she thought. So she scrambled out of her nest and ran the opposite direction. Uh-oh, look at her little legs trying to run as fast as she can. Ooh, he looks very scary. Baby Bird spied a low branch above her head. She crouched down, flipped her tiny wings, and hopped up onto the branch. Raccoon stood on his hind legs. Baby Bird closed her eyes and trembled with fear, but the raccoon could not reach her. Look at that silly raccoon. He is trying to climb up that tree and get that baby bird. Look at that. Raccoon hunted in the water until he found a fish to eat. And when he was gone, Little Frog swam ashore and went looking for Baby Bird. He looked in the nest. It was empty. He looked behind the nest. She wasn't there. He looked under the nest. "Oh no," he said. Raccoon got the baby bird. Oh my goodness, Frog is so sad. He thinks the raccoon ate his friend. No, I didn't. I'm up here. Well, how did you get up there? Little Frog said. I hopped up, replied Baby Bird. If you can hop up there, you can hop back to your nest, said Little Frog. I can't hop that far, said Baby Bird. Oh, Baby Bird doesn't think he can. The frog has got big eyes, huh? Sure you can, said Little Frog, if you take it one branch at a time. Here, I'll show you. And he hopped up on the perch with Baby Bird. Now follow me, he said, and he hopped to a branch above her head. Can you do that? Sure, chirped Baby Bird. Good, said Little Frog, and he hopped to the higher branch. Uh-oh. This frog is going to get up in this tree and get stuck. I have a feeling it's coming. Look, he is right there. He is going to get stuck. Frog hopped, and Baby Bird followed higher and higher all the way up to the nest. Mama, I'm home, said Baby Bird. Slowly, Mama Bird opened her eyes. Of course you are, my darling, she said with a yawn, but what are you doing out there? Mama Bird lifted Baby Bird into the nest. Mama, cried Baby Bird, I have had the most wonderful adventure. Yes, Mama Bird yawned again. You can tell me about it in the morning. And soon Mama Bird was fast asleep again. Where did the frog go? Let's see. Your mom is so nice, said Little Frog. Do you want to sleep in our nest tonight? Asked Baby Bird. Little Frog thought for a moment. Too scratchy, he replied. So what are you going to do now, Baby Bird? I guess I'll finish that swim, said the Little Frog, and get ready to see the highest dive you've ever seen. Uh-oh. He is going to jump off that tree and into the water. Do you see him up here on this up there with the bird? He is going to jump. Thanks, I had fun too, said little Baby Bird. Me too, said the Little Frog. Will I ever see you again? Asked Baby Bird. I certainly hope so, croaked Little Frog, and he dove into the pond in the night. Look, see, he's jumping, and there's the moon. I hope you enjoyed that book. Until next time, bye-bye.